Okay. At finally, CD is, I think, compression. Compression and ED. Where is ED? ED is intention. So CD is compression. CD is compression and ED is tension. So, ayan na yung force diagram natin. Ngayon, ngayon, wait lang. Okay? Ito naman. So, dito, sabi niya, find the force in members GH, BC, and BG and tell whether they are in tension or compression. So, una, i-highlight muna natin nasan sila. So, si GH nandito. Yan. Si BG nandito. At si BC nandito. Yan. Naka-highlight sila. Tapos, of course, dito sa process na to, or dito sa problem na to, pinapahanap lang yung several sections or several members. Therefore, that is a hint na mas maganda gamitin dito yung sections. No? But it is your preference. Pero dito sa part, since pinapahanap lang yung tatlo, I believe it is much easier to solve using methods of section. So how are we going to solve using methods of sections? So, of course, gagawin natin, hatiin natin yung process here. Di ba? Yan. Hatiin natin siya here. At pag hinati natin yan, yung nasa, wait lang. This is the right side. This left side. Yung right side, yung magiging negligible. Tatanggalin natin siya. Pero before that, tatandaan natin, since nasa left side tayo, kailangan natin i-take account lahat ng mga forces. And isa sa mga forces dito is si A, Y, at si AX. Why? Because AX, bakit or why sila need i-consider? Because this one is a pin. And pin takes account for the X and Y component. Ngayon, before we start with the cutting of trusses, kunin muna natin si AX and si AY. So, kung gumamit tayo ng moment muna, or sabihin na natin, fx muna tayo. Fx equals 0. So, at fx equals 0, um, so at fx equals 0, since yung ax lang yung force in the x-axis, therefore, ax equals 0. Oh my God, I forgot. Lagay yung required. Sorry. Required is GH, BC, and PG. And of course, the formula for this is summation of fx equals 0, summation of fy equals 0, and summation of um, moment is equal to 0. Yan. So, therefore, with this, ax equals 0. Tapos, ano pa? Ayan. I believe mas better kung gagamit ako ng moment at magmo-moment ako at E. Kasi, baka pag nag-moment ako, pag nag-summation of Fy ako, we have to consider rin, pag nag-moment of Fy ako, i-consider ko rin yung pin dito sa, roller ata to. Yung roller at E. And since we don't want to complicate things, mas better kung imo-moment na lang natin at E para negligible na si E. Tapos, iti-take into account na lang natin yung um, mga forces na nagpapaikot dun sa E. So, of course, AY. So, ayan. AY, taas. Okay, so clockwise. Multiplied by 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, so 8. So, 8 yung distance niya from E. Tapos, meron tayong negative 5, 6. Itong negative 5 is kilonewtons, tapos 6 pababa. Ay 6 yung distance. Tapos, negative 5 times 4, negative 5 times 2 equals 0. Okay? Now, solving it, so negative 30, negative 20, negative 10. I think, meron pa akong kulang. Sabi na yun. Yung kulang ko is yung negative 2 kilonewtons going down multiplied by 8. So, plus 16, 76, A8, 8A8 minus 76 equals 0. So, 76 divided by 8, A equals 19 over 2 kilonewtons, or basically 9.5 kilonewtons. Okay? 9.5 kilonewtons si AY. So, kuha na natin si AY. We can cut the truss na. So, lang. GH, BG, BC. Tapos, ayan. Cut. Then, ayan. Cut na. Ngayon na-cut na, wait lang. Cut muna natin. Ngayon na-cut na, we can treat this as an external force. Dito na yung sinasabi ko na parang mas preferred ko kung gagawin ko yung assumption ko as compression. Kasi para papunta sa mismong point yung force. Para wala lang, parang mas nadadalian lang ako sa pag-i-imagine kung papunta sa point yung force kaysa pa-away siya. But it's just a personal preference. So you can assume anything. Wag lang sa love life ka mag-assume. But ayun. So using this, so GH tapos GB at CB. Okay? Ngayon, before we before we start, i-write ko lang yung FBD. Gagawin natin siya ganito. 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 Yan. Tapos, ayan. Yan. Tapos, ay joke lang. Ba't naging ganito? So, A, H, B, and this one is HG. This one is BG. At this one is BC. Ngayon, this one is 2 kilonewtons. Ito is 5 kilonewtons. Ayan. Ngayon, meron rin tayo dito 2 meters. Tapos, this one is 3 meters. Okay? Tapos, ano pa ba? Ayan. So, using this, no, alam natin that kung pwede natin kunin yung angle dito. Para makuha natin angle dyan, gagamitin natin yung tan theta. Opposite over adjacent, wherein theta equals tan negative 1. Opposite niya is 3. Adjacent niya is 2. So, shift tan 3 over 2. Therefore, the answer is... Ay, wait lang. Let's see ulit. Oh, okay. So, wait lang. Nagkaroon ng mali. Yung, ano pala niyan, yung makukuhang angle dito is not here, but here. Kaya pala parang may mali. Yan. Yung angle here is, ito yung 3 meters. Kasi, ayan, oh. 3 meters. Ayan. So, since 3 meters yan, ito, yung theta natin is equal to 56.31 degrees. Ngayon, paano makuha ito? No? Paano natin siya makukuha? So, let's analyze it. Purahin ko muna to. Okay. So, wait lang. Let me analyze it first. But anyways, okay, this one is 56.31. Wait lang. 2 meters. Yung naisip ko for now, it's that pag hinati mo to here, magiging siyang 1.5. Kaso we don't want to assume anything eh. Kasi baka yung assumption natin is wrong. No? So, okay, gets. So, if, di ba, yung kaninang naging basis natin for yung angle here is this one, and this one. So, ito 3 and this one is 2. However, we can also use this. Yan. So, this one is 4, this one is 3. Para makuha nating angle dito. At yung makukuha nating angle dito, parehas lang sa angle dito. And this, angle is very important for GH later. So, theta, so tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, so 3 over 4. So, theta tan -1 is equal to 3 over 4. So, shift tan 3 over 4. So, theta is 36.87 degrees. So, therefore, ito 36.87 degrees to. And this one is theta equals 36.87 degrees. So, ayan. Thirty-six point 87 degrees. Ayan. Ngayon, we can now solve, no? We can now solve it using moment. Pag mag-moment tayo, mag-moment ka, tandaan mo, mag-moment ka sa sa point kung saan maraming mga unknowns. So, dito, ilan ba yung unknown na hinahanap? Wala ka namang hinahanap at A. Dito, isa, which is HG. Dito, dalawa. So, since maraming unknown dito ako mag-unknown. So, by the way, this one pala is BG, no? Tapos, this one is BC. In-assume ko lahat ng points or lahat ng forces are in compression. Yun yung assumption ko. Pero syempre, it can be wrong. Yung assumption mo, it can be wrong. So, yung the difference nito when it comes to methods of joints na laging nag-assume ng tension is pag yung sagot mo is positive, therefore, kung yung in-assume mo is compression, tapos yung sagot mo is positive, therefore, tama na compression yung answer mo. Pero kung dinrowing mo compression, tapos yung sagot mo is negative, therefore, papalitan mo yung drawing, i-change mo yung direction niya, at gagawin mo siyang tension. No? So that's the difference. Kung sa joints, I guess, kung yung gagawin mong strategy for methods of joints is always assume tension. Therefore, parang mas naka-base yung answers mo or mas naka-base yung tension or compression mo dun sa sign convention, which is yung positive or negative. So, pag positive tension, pag negative compression. Pero pag sa methods of sections at gagamitin mong strategy is always use compression. Therefore, magbe-base ka dun sa mismong drawing or dun sa mismong assumption mo. So, kung yung assumption mo is compression, tapos nag-positive, therefore the answer is compression. Therefore the answer is compression. Pero pag nag-negative yun, i-change mo yung drawing mo at gagawin mo siyang tension. Okay? Pero pag mag-solve ka, you don't need to change anything. So, pinaka-huli ka lang mag-change, which is pag gumagawa ka na ng force diagram. So, ayun lang. So, pag mag-moment at B ako dito, tatandaan din pala, pag nag-moment ka dito, lahat ng kasama ni B, lahat ng kasama na parang hinahawakan ni B, magiging negligible. Hindi siya magiging part ng equation. So, si BC, BG, BH, and si BA, hindi sila magiging part ng computation. So, yung magiging part lang Pati si 5 kilonewtons na pababa, hindi siya magiging part kasi along siya dun sa B. So, yung magiging part lang is si 2 kilonewtons. Si 2 kilonewtons multiplied by B ay multiplied by 2. So, using this one, papaikot siya ng ganon. So, counterclockwise. Negative. Tapos, si HG, hindi natin gagamitin si HG na x component niya kasi tatama siya with point B or sa B. No, kaya yung pwede lang natin magamit dyan is HG at X. Okay? Kasi pag HG at X, meron tayo ditong well, wait, actually it's not 3 meters pala. It's not 3 meters. Mali to. Makakuha natin to, yung 3 meters dito is yung ito kanina. Sorry, nagkamali. Ito yung 3 meters kanina. Tapos ito, this one, ito yung nasa figure natin or nasa FBD natin. So to get this part, which is yung BH, yung length ng BH, kailangan natin gumamit ng trigo identities again. So, gagamit, using it, maging itong tan theta, opposite natin is wala. At yung adjacent natin is 2. Okay, so 2 tan 36.87 the answer is opposite to. So, opposite is equal to 1.5. So, therefore, the height in here is 1.5 meters. Okay? So, ayan, using this 1.5 meters here, pag tatama siya here, gaganon siya, iikot siya, so counterclockwise. Ito, tama siya, counterclockwise. Okay? Counterclockwise, magiging siyang HG cos 36.87 multiplied by 1.5 meters. Okay, ngayon, ililipat natin to. Magiging itong negative HG cos 36.87 multiplied by 1.5 equals 4. So, divided by cos 36.87 times 1.5 cos 36.87 1.5. So, cancel to. Cancel. Negative. So, ayan. Negative 4 cos 36.87 times 1.5. So, the answer is wait lang. I think there is a mistake sa calculation ko. Let me... Parang may kulang. 9.5. Okay. Sabi na. May kulang nga. Ito. Meron nga palang 9.5 kilonewtons na AY. Yun yung kulang. So, ngayon, kung from B, iikot natin to, it's 9.5 times 2 in clockwise direction. So, ulitin natin, sorry. Plus 9.5 times 2. So, -4 plus 9.5 times 2, 15. So, 15 to -hg cos 36.87, 1.5 lipat. So, from positive magiging negative. Negative cos 36.87, 1.5. Negative cos 36.87, 1.5. Cancel. Yung siyang 15 divided by cos 36.87 times 1.5. So therefore, the answer is HG. Cancel yung negative. Cancel. 12.5 in 10. So, okay? Ngayon, meron na tayong HG. Yung next step natin is let's try kaya nating mag-moment at H. Let's see. Wait lang. Analyze ko lang. Ay, wait lang. Joke lang. Mali. Ito. Oh. Since positive pala, no? Tapos yung yung assumption mo is compression. Therefore, tama na compression siya. Therefore, the answer here should be 12.5 kilonewtons in compression. Yun. Hindi ko siya nakita right away. Sorry. Ngayon. Pero I think mas better if sa A, I guess. Pero try ko muna sa mag-moment at A. Nag-moment ako kay A. Tanggalin na natin mga to. Five. Okay. Kung mag-moment ako kay A, of course, ito, yung buong to, hindi magiging negligible kasi tumatama siya at point A. At the same time, this one rin, yung BC, magiging negligible siya kasi tumatama siya papuntang A. So, yung pwede na lang nating anihin is si BG at yung 5 kilonewtons here. So, 5 kilonewtons there, kung aanuhin mo, exert ka ng downward force, magiging ganito siya. Ayan. So, that is clockwise. So, 5 times 2. So, wait lang. So, at moment at A equals 0, 5 times 2 minus FG. Ay, hindi. BG pala. BG. Tapos, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung X direction kasi or X component kasi tumatama siya along A. So, yung kailangan na lang nating i-consider is yung sa Y. So, Y, so BG sine 56.31, BG sine 56.31 multiplied by 2 equals 0. Ngayon, using this, 5 times 2 minus yung BG natin, so 10. Okay, negative BG sine 56.31 times 2. Wait lang. Check ko lang. ko lang. So, BG hindi. In Y direction pala, no? So, clockwise. Right? So, pag ganito, okay. So, clockwise to. So, dapat ito positive pala. So, positive. So, magiging itong -10. So, sine 56.31 times 2 divided by sine 56.31 times 2. Cancel to. So, therefore, magiging itong -10 divided by sine 56.31 times 2. Therefore, the answer is BG is equal to -6. So, -6 siya. At since negative to, at yung assumption mo is compression, therefore, kailangan mo tong palitan at BG is equal to 6 kilonewtons tension. Okay? So, meron ka ng BG. Ako, ano ko muna. Meron na tayong GH, meron na rin tayong BG. Matitira na lang si BC. Of course, ito take into account natin yung last na which is moment at h equals 0. So, burahin lang natin to sa FBD. 1, 2. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga magiging negligible kung mag-moment tayo kay HG. So, kung mag-moment tayo kay HG, of course, ito ay mag-moment tayo sa H. Maging negligible yan. Magiging negligible rin ito. Tapos, magiging negligible, hindi na siya maging negligible. So, yan. So, yung mga magagamit nating forces dito is yung 2 kilonewtons, 9.5 kilonewtons, yung, of course, BC at yung BG. And sa BG, yung iti-take into account lang natin ay yung nasa X component. Kasi yung sa Y component ng BG, tatamaan niya yung B. Since tatamaan niya, magiging negligible siya. So, using this, no, MH 9.5 clockwise, 2 kilonewtons, counter, tapos BG to the left, BG to the left, clockwise, tapos BC, counter, negative BC, okay? So, taking it account all the so 9.5 multiplied by 2 minus 2 over 2 ay 2 times 2 minus yung BC multiplied by 1.5 plus 6. Yung 6 is yung BG. 6. So, ulit. Positive 6 BG. BG cos 56.31 times 1.5, which is, diba, ito, x to, tapos ito, y distance. So, equal 0 na lang natin here. So, actually, ayan, gagamitin mo pala niyan dito is negative. plus negative. Bakit negative? Kahit ito yung ginamit natin, dapat kung ano yung originally na nakuha mo, yun yung gagamitin mo para there will be no confusion and wrong answers. Gamitin mo yung answer mo bago mo siya i-convert into tension or compression. So ito, 0 equals 9.5 times 2 minus 2 times 2, 15. Tapos negative 6 cos 56.31 multiplied by 1.5 is negative 4.9922.9. At si, negative BC multiplied by 1.5. 15 minus, magiging siyang 0 equals 19.99 minus BC 1.5. So, lilipat ko to, BC 1.5 plus 99.99 divided by 1.5. 1.5, cancel, BC is equal to, divided by 1.5, it's equal to, wait lang, recheck, 9 minus 9.5, 9.5 times 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 6 times cos 56.31 multiplied by 1.5. So, okay, mali. It's 10. It's 10.01 tapos divided by 1.5. Ayun. So, therefore, BC is equal to 6.67 kilonewtons. And since positive to at yung dinrawing mo is compression, therefore, this is compression. Okay? So, that's it. Yun lang yung sa methods of sections and methods of joints. Gusto ko pang actually magbigay ng problems. Pero I guess magkukulang na tayo sa time since it's already 12. But, ayun. Thank you for staying. Bye-bye.